Poor Samantha. Hi, hope you're having a great day. Things are wonderful for you. We are just ending June. So we're going into our hot July, and I hope you have nice plans for the first week of July. Do something you enjoy. Well, we all know that in the middle of March of this year, Samantha's lawsuit against Meghan Markle was dismissed by the court in Florida, saying that she had no case, everything was opinion, which is protected by law. You know, you can't make somebody feel that they're close to you. You can't make somebody feel that you're really known to them, or that you really know them, or that they really know you. That's all opinion. And with their big sisterly age gap, Samantha is much older than Meghan and was out dating and having babies and stuff while Meghan was still a toddler. You know, there just really is not that sibling closeness. And then they are half siblings, so Samantha has a different mother and was not at all close to Meghan's mother. So anyway, we know that case was dismissed, thrown out, never to be heard from again. It's in the trash. It's done. Well, a little more than 2 weeks later, the coaching of the attorneys. Naturally, the attorneys want her to fight on because she doesn't have any money, but they want to, of course, get some star power. They'll get publicity. Lots of people will be contacting them from the British media, and so they're interested, I guess, in that aspect, and that's how they'll get some of their money back, because she has to go to a different attorney now. Someone starts from scratch, an appeals attorney, and so she went to the appeals court, the state appeals court, and she is saying, hey, that shouldn't have been thrown out. I had a great case. I want you to reinstate my case, and let's take it and fight it out in the court. Get a jury in here. Let me find out who Meghan's friends are and what she said, what she did. I'm mad. So that's what that's the mindset of poor Samantha. And her brother even insinuated that Meghan should be responsible and pay Samantha to keep up this buffoonery with the trial courts. This case is dead. It was dead a long time ago, and this appeal is just a waste of time and money and valuable court time, you know. But she's there. She's trying again to get this up. Let's see if I can get what she said. Samantha claimed she was defamed when Meghan spoke about family betrayal and her lack of close ties with certain family members during the Oprah Winfrey interview. During the interview, Meghan said to Oprah that it'd be hard to tell all when you don't know me. And I mean, she's referring to her book, Princess Pushy, where Samantha is trying to make money off of Meghan's situation by writing this book, Princess Pushy. And Meghan's basically saying, I don't know what you'd put in a book, you don't know me. And so then Samantha thought, well, by her saying that, that deprived her of an income and being able to sell the book to gullible, well, she didn't say gullible, to anyone who wanted to buy the book and find out the inside dirt. But Meghan said, "You don't know me. I don't know what you'd have in a book." So that was part of the insult. She added that when you talk about betrayal, betrayal comes from someone that you have a relationship with, right? I don't feel comfortable talking about people that I really don't know. So she said she didn't want to talk about Samantha because she didn't know her. She doesn't feel betrayed by Samantha because she didn't know Samantha in the first place. So whatever she does is on her, and it's just part of who she is and what she wants to do. Samantha argues that those comments demeaned her, portraying her as a stranger, a liar, and a deceptive fame-seeking imposter with avaricious intentions. She claims these comments and others made during the Oprah Winfrey interview were disparaging, hurtful, and false. However, the case was dismissed in March, stating by the judge that Samantha failed to identify any statements that could support her claim for defamation. There are rules as to what is defamation, and you have to follow those rules. She wrote that what it means to be close, to share a relationship with someone so intimate that you really know that person, is a subject that might make a good fodder for philosophical, psychological, or personal exploration. However, it's not capable of being definitively answered and has no place in court. Samantha cannot objectively prove that she really knows Meghan, or that Meghan falsely felt that her relationship was not sufficiently intimate to justify the use of the word betrayal, because the statement is an opinion, not readily capable of being proven. It is protected by law from a defamation action. As to the defamation claims, each and every statement is not actionable, either because it is protected opinion, substantially true based on judicially noticed evidence, not capable of being considered defamatory, or because Samantha is precluded from meeting the actual malice standard. Samantha's latest appeal aims to overturn the Florida court's decision to dismiss the case, which could potentially lead to a future lawsuit against Meghan. Well, that has no chance. I'm just letting you know this is a waste of time and money. Samantha is a fool, and to pursue this, she just shows how greedy she is. She thinks people were obligated to buy her book against Meghan, and that if it hadn't been for Meghan saying that she wasn't close to her, that people would have been flocking to read Samantha's book, because she had the secrets about Meghan. She was going to talk about how her diapers were changed and how did her pee and poo look. She was going to talk about Meghan's toddler steps. She was going to talk about Meghan playing on the floor and with friends. She was going to talk about Meghan standing next to her as she posed for pictures. These were the secrets probably that were in Samantha's book, the secrets that only she knew because she was in the house. Come on, Samantha. Give it up. Time to move on. You have been actually cut out. You have shown yourself to be mentally and not all there. And Meghan is not going to pay a cent of your court costs. So get a job and start paying those attorneys. So what do you think? Am I wrong? Does Samantha have a great case, and that this appeals court is going to turn things around because there were so many great claims made in her case? Not a chance. So even though the media in Britain, who would love to see Samantha be able to do something, just as they would love to see her father embarrass Meghan in some major way. That's why they keep talking about the fact that he hasn't seen those grandchildren, as he continues to say nasty things about his daughter. The British media is struggling, and they really want to get more and more dirt against Meghan because they want to ruin any chance she has to be successful and even more popular. But they can't do it because they're mean-spirited, and we can see through it very easily. Anyway, leave your comments. We'll follow this until we hear the final decision from the appeals court when they drop kick Samantha for the final time out of the courthouse. And then she'll have to decide whether or not she wants to take it to the Florida State Supreme Court. And knowing Samantha, she'll give that serious consideration. Okay, have a great day. Hug your family. And if there's somebody you don't know in your family, you don't have to know them. Your family, but you're not necessarily required to know all about their personalities and what they're doing every part of their day. They're just family. So like and subscribe. Bye.